Hello everyone, I am Kisha. My teammates Sharmila and Vaitishwaran along with me will be presenting a video on multiple intelligence. So, theory of multiple intelligence. According to this viewpoint, conventional psychometric conception of IQ are over-receptive. Gardner said there are 8 different types of intelligence and has suggested the 9th type of intelligence known as existential intelligence as a potential addition. Criticism. This opponent asserts that Gardner's 8 separate intelligence are merely metaphor for skills, character qualities, and abilities, and that his definition of intelligence is overly inclusive. Additionally, there isn't enough actual data to support Gardner's theory. Visual spatial intelligence. Visualizing things is a skill that comes naturally to those with high visual spatial intelligence. So these type of people mostly are very frequently adapted with working with directions, maps, charts, films, and photography. So because they can visualize everything and just click it to their mind. The professions that would fit them the most is architecturing, artist, or engineering. Linguistic verbal intelligence. So language, which is also verbal intelligence, is an ability to utilize words effectively in writing and speaking. These people are frequently excellent writers, readers, information retainers. So their strength is language, writing, and words. They can really pronounce words properly, and they can really adapt to new languages and words, and they can just keep everything in mind. So the careers that may fit them is teaching. So the next is logical mathematical intelligence. So people with logical mathematical intelligence usually are very good in reasoning, pattern recognition, and logical problems. They have a very problem solving brain that could just find problems and solutions to all kind of issues. So they are very good in analysis of issues and mathematical operations. And the best career that would fit them would be scientists, mathematicians, programmers for computers, engineering, accountancy. So the next will be bodily kinesthetic energy. These people have associated with proficiency in physical control, actions, and body movement. So basically they love dancing, and when they talk they usually use their hand to communicate signals, and they just like using their hands while having a communication. So these type of people, the profession that would really suit them is dancer, builder, surgeon, sculptor, and actor, because they love using their hand. So the next intelligence will be musical intelligence, and people with this intelligence have a very strong pattern for music and rhythm thinking. So the strength is in music and rhythm, and they always have something in their mind. They always keep humming something, some kind of music or notes. And the profession that would suit them the best is musician, composer, singer, or even a music teacher. And these people always have notes. They are very good in music. So the next intelligence would be interpersonal intelligence. People with interpersonal intelligence adapt to comprehending and relating to others. They are very determining in feelings and emotions. They usually understand other people's feelings, and they verbalize ideas clearly. So the perfect career option for these type of people will be psychologists, because counselors and salesperson, because they not only like to share but also listen to other people. Okay, the following intelligence will be intrapersonal intelligence, and people with this intelligence usually adapt to recognizing their own emotional states. They frequently take pleasure in self-reflection and analysis, as well as fantasizing and examining interpersonal interactions. So these people usually have outstanding awareness and stuff. So the possible career option for them will be philosopher, writer, theorist, or a scientist. So the 8th intelligence is naturalistic intelligence. This is the most recent addition to Gardner's theory, and this has encountered more opposition than the initial 7. Gardner claims that people with high level of this form of intelligence are more touched with nature and frequently show an interest in caring for, exploring, and learning about other species. So the perfect career option for these people will be gardener or farmer, which is very related to nature. So the 9th and last intelligence is existential intelligence, and these people with this intelligence have a long-term perspective and interest in the meaning of life. So they usually see life issues and life and death as a very important issue in their life. And the possible career option for these people will be philosopher, theologians, pastor, counselors, and stuff, because these people have a very high perspective of life and what life is, the existence and death. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching our presentation. Thanks a lot.